Hello everyone, welcome back. And today is the day I will be starting decorating for this Christmas season. I am just so excited and looking forward on what type of decoration or what theme I will be coming up for this year. And I always and usually does start decorating for my Christmas tree because this is where I gather all the inspiration and ideas that I need to do for my entire home. But before I do anything, I need to do a few simple DIY projects for my Christmas ornament. For this past couple of years, I always wanted to include a glass amber Christmas ornament for my tree. But since they're quite costly, I decided to make one this year. So each box comes with the 3 clear glass ornament that I bought from Amazon. First thing I need to do is to remove the metal cap ring. Then I will be using this alcohol ink that I bought from the craft store, and it comes with 3 colors: latte, ginger, and caramel. So I will just be putting few drops of the caramel color inside the clear glass ornament. This is my very first time to do this type of DIY project, and I'm just discovering that it's much better to add ink every now and then while I'm turning this glass until it's fully covered. And once I see that it's nice and even, I will be using my hair dryer to stop the dripping process as well as to help dry faster. So I bought 3 boxes of this clear ornament, and I will be using all 3 colors for each of the boxes. For the metal cups, I will be changing the color by using my Robin Buff with a mix of the antique and ebony color. And for the last step, I will be using my burgundy velvet ribbon for this first DIY Christmas ornament project. Okay everyone, so for the next Christmas ornament that I wanted to do some DIY on it is this one. I bought this from Hobby Lobby. It's covered with glass, comes with the velvet ties, as well as the gold has some imperfection on it that makes it looks like an old Christmas ornament. This time I will be using 2 different types of dried plants from Hobby Lobby. What I will be doing is to simply cut small pieces of each of the dried plant, insert it in the frame, and that's it. I will not glue this nor make it permanent. That way in the future I can change and use it in a different style. This third piece, I bought it from Walmart for only $1.98. Originally, I planned to paint it, but putting all my ornaments together, I decided to leave it as it is. The only thing I need to do is to remove the old ties and replace it with my brown velvet ribbon. What I just did is just cut both ends of the ribbon into a dovetail, do a double square knot, position the knot near the hook, and then adjust the ends, and that's it. Just by simply changing the ties, I feel like this Christmas ornament can be seen in one of those expensive stores. For the fourth and last Christmas ornament and another simple DIY project, and I will be using this 4x4 picture frame that I have for a while, and I think I brought this from Hobby Lobby, and as well as these Christmas gift tags that I just brought from Home Goods. First thing, I will just be removing the back frame as well as the mirror from this picture frame. This Christmas tag came with two different shapes, a circle and a square, and I will be using the square and the rest will be used when I start wrapping the gifts. Next step, I'm just removing the ties that comes with the Christmas gift tags. Then I will be using the green side of the paper using a double-sided tape to secure and keep the Christmas tag in place. After that, I'm just putting everything back on the picture frame, including the mirror. And lastly, I will be using the same ties that comes with the Christmas gift tag. Okay, everyone, so I'm just about to fluff my tree, and hopefully you got some ideas or perhaps get some inspiration on these few simple DIY projects that I just did today for the Christmas ornament. And next video will be all about just showing you how I decorate my Christmas tree. So stay tuned on that one. So everyone, please share, like, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell. That way you get to be notified whenever I post some videos here on my YouTube channel. And again, thank you for watching. Bye.